Some people are born with blue and white in their blood. They have the courage to stay through the good times and the bad. Others develop a passion over the years for the blue and white hoops, while for some, it's their belief and mind that one day they will run onto the field to play for the greatest team of all. This is our DNA, and this is what brings our characteristics together. This is the heart and the soul of the Geelong Cats. Without this loyalty and support, we are nothing. You must ensure this DNA survives and evolves so that this breed never dies. It's in our DNA. Is it in yours?